Una piedra en el camino, man, that definitely takes me back to my childhood. In life, like on the road, you have to be willing to not just face it, but to embrace the unexpected. So rule number 1, follow your heart. It will never steer you wrong. Design is so important in cooking. When you conceptualize a dish, you want to make sure that you have elements that really create something harmonious. And when you have Chevy Silverado with all of its features and all of the thought process that goes into it, all the tools that I need are right there for me to go on this amazing journey. Both food and the outdoors are 2 of my greatest passions in life. And when they intersect, it's pure magic. There's nothing better than a beautifully caught fresh fish, a trucha from the lake, a trout from the lake. I'm channeling my beautiful memories from Mexico with the pescado sarandeado or pescado a la talla with beautiful aromatic elements that are gonna make this really pop in your palate. I can't wait to show you. It's pescado time, one of my favorite times. Now, this trout right here is where it's at. It's fleshy, it can take really big flavor, which is what we're gonna do right now. And the idea is, let's start with seasoning this, okay? You wanna hit it with a little bit of olive oil, a little salt, pepper. You could put a little seasoning mix in there if you wanted to, a little black pepper. And this is where you could really be creative and have fun with this, okay? A little bit of chili flake. Then I have some beautiful aromatic herbs. I have thyme, I have some tarragon, I have some parsley. That's gonna kind of go all over as well. Just take some lime, sort of wheels, if you will, and we're gonna kind of sprinkle those around. They're gonna give that wonderful bracing acidity as this wonderful trout cooks. Some red jalapenos. And I just like to cut these into some nice long slices. Give that beautiful heat to this trout. And then I have some roasted garlic that I took off the grill, and I'm also just gonna kind of put that in there as well. I have this beautiful sort of press that's gonna help sort of maintain all those wonderful ingredients and allow that to adhere to the actual trout as it grills. So now what we're gonna simply do is put that in hot grill and let it do its thing. Pescado sarandeado, or our grilled trout, is looking absolutely divine. Check that out. You kind of just want to take off that top part of the grill. So just take the bottom part right there, just like that. And there you have it. Looking great, feeling great. Well, I think it's important to live without limits. When you have that sort of mindset, you're able to conquer goals that you didn't think were possible. When life throws you lemons, aprenda a hacer limonada. And when it throws you red chiles, well, the answer's simple. Make a marinade for one of my personal favorites, grilled trout.